Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and do the rest of the guns here. So you get super fancy if you want. They kind of took some artistic freedom in here. See, we'll do this one. We kind of have this thing going on. Since I'm sort of following this, I'll use this idea. So what we're going to do is create a polygon primitive. We're going to go ahead and create a pipe. Okay, so I'll do this. And I'm going to take the wheel here. Turn off the reference mode. Take the wheel. Put it in the middle. Alright. So let's go to here and go to -90. And 90. And what we'll do is the following. And now what we're going to do here is we need like 3 of these basically. So we're going to go to face. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 3. And then we're going to hit Control E, W, and we're going to do this. You'll notice though, I have to undo that. What I have to do, wow, it's really thundering out. We're going to go to thickness, and we're going to turn that down. Alright, we're going to go to face. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to hit Control E. We're going to bring it out like that. Okay. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go to the back here. We're going to go to face. And I'm going to take my little paintbrush. I'm going to hold B to make the brush really small. Okay, I'm going to hit Control E. I'm going to bring it out. Oops. Okay, that would have made a mistake there. Bring this out. Control E. Bring that out. Okay, for some reason I didn't deselect those, so I have to do that again. Alright, let's go ahead and go to face. This is where Maya can get kind of annoying. Alright, there we go. Control E. Bring it out. And we're going to bring it up. Then we're going to do Control E. We're going to bring it over. So we're going to do this. Yep, then we're going to Control E. Bring it over. Just to right about there. And we're going to stop. We're actually going to delete those faces. Okay. Now we're going to go to Mesh, Mirror Geometry Tool. Okay, that looks cool. Now we're going to go to Face, and F. Alright, perfect. We're going to move this over. We're going to go to Face, Highlight, and then Control E. We're just going to move these in. It's creating that little gap there. Okay, cool. It looks good. The only thing is it's a little bit out of proportion, so we're going to bring this in. Alright, and we're going to go ahead and go to front view again. And let's bring these guys in as well. And let's bring these guys in some more. Make sure nothing got wacky here while I was moving stuff around. Looks like this did. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to face. I'm going to go to front view. I'm going to delete all that. And I'm going to mesh mirror geometry again. Okay, there it is. Alright, cool. Oop, I think I deleted the wrong side. I did. Okay, I think this is the good side. Let me just check. Yep. Mirror geometry. Beautiful. Okay. Very good. This looks cool. It looks pretty much like that piece. Hit 3. You'll notice it looks bad. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and insert some edge loops. I'm going to show you a different way to do this. Go to Edge. And we're going to go to Edit Mesh Bevel. We're going to do like point 1. Okay, that's not enough. And segments 4. See, that's another way to make edges smooth. I'd have to go around and bevel everything. I could just hit G. It gives it a very similar effect. We'll just bevel this one, just so you know how to do it. All right. Okay, you can't bevel up here. All right. I prefer the other way. I can't bevel those. All right. Yeah, that's it. That looks like I smoothed it. All right. Let's add a texture to that. All right. And let's go ahead and move this over here. This is really big. This thing should be smaller. All right. For the record, I do not like the beveling. I don't think this looks as good as it would have if we didn't bevel. We're going to keep it this way, but for the next pieces, we won't use this technique. But now you know it exists, and it's not quite as good as smoothing. All right, so we're here. Let's go ahead and just get a simple cylinder. And working in 3D views, working in 3D views could be hard. That's why when you work in these views, it's just makes your life easy. This is called orthographic views. All right. Beautiful. And let's go ahead and go to face. Actually, vertex. Highlight it. We're just going to go ahead and kick it out here. All right, this looks a little bit big, so we're going to make it smaller. That looks better. Okay. Let's go to back view. Okay, beautiful. This kind of goes inside the thing. So I'm going to select both of these. And just sort of do that. All right. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to make this thinner too. This is still too big. All right, cool. And this should be longer. This should be way out here. Okay, cool. Looking good, looking good. Control D. That's a duplicate. I'm going to shrink it. And I'm going to increase its width. And I'm going to center the pivot. Bring it out to around there. This guy has it around here. Okay. Just going to do that. And this one I could actually bevel and it would look good. So you have to know when to use it. See, this one I knew it would look good if I bevel. That one looks really good. Alright, so that's that. It should be more in the middle. More around there. Alright. Assign existing material. Assign existing material. Okay, so far so good. This stuff's pretty easy. I'm just going to show you how to do the one with the... Actually, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do a little bit different. If you notice on these, they're spirals. They're spirals. I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to hit Control D, bring it down. Go ahead and bring it in here. Okay, this is not going out that far. Let's bring it up a little. Alright, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to Create Polygon Primitive, Helix. Right? And then I'm going to go to Radius. And then I'm going to go to Coils. And then I'm going to take this thing, extend it, scale it down. I'll go ahead and revolve it 90 degrees. All right. All right, so do this. Okay, I'm going to extend it out pretty good here. Scale a little bit more. And I'm going to increase the coils. And I'm going to decrease the radius. Let's make the radius 0.05. And I'm going to extend it out. Okay, so that's that. It's a cool little trick. It looks good. I could add more or less there if I want. Increase the width a little. Nope. Increase the radius. Yeah, it looks better. Okay, cool. That's that. Okay, so that concludes the video. In the next video, we'll go ahead and we'll complete the rest of this.